Bitcoin pre-halving crash and target. You see, some persons are talking about this very crash right now, and they expect this market to come back down into this very area of $45,000 per Bitcoin. And some persons are talking about Ethereum that it should come back down into this very area of $2,000 per Ethereum. So this is very, very critical because the market always crash back down before every halving. So what do you think the market is going to do in this very pre-halving crash? This is what I'll be talking about in today's video. So watch this video till the very end. If this is your first time here, please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification. Also check the channel for other crypto videos, educational content, and technical analysis. So on the Bitcoin chart, we've seen the market move a little bit to the upside significantly in the last month, and then we see this decline, and the market failed to create a new high at this very point, which is very, very important on the chart right here. So a failure to create a new high means that the market is going to come back to the downside. So what I am expecting is for Bitcoin to come back down, but the target to which it will get to before the next move to the upside is very, very important. And this is what I want to show you right now. So for the fact that we have a fail swing here, so we have a fail swing from this very area, market move upward and then go back down for a retracement and move up again, fail to create a new high at this very point. So we consider this as a fail swing in technical analysis. So from here, market is going to come back to the downside. I am not expecting this market to come back into the $45,000 as some person are expecting. That is not my expectation. It is possible that can happen in the market, but that is not what I'm expecting right now. I am far way more bullish on Bitcoin than never before. So from here, I am expecting that this market move back down a little bit into this very price level of $60,000 in this very area of $57,000. So from this very zone, we'll see the market begin to rise to the upside sporadically for the next move. So from this very area right here of $60,000 and this very zone right here of $57,000, this is where I'm expecting this market to move into to create a new low, lower than the previous low we see at this very point. So once the market come back down, then we're going to see a massive move from here to the upside. Like I said, I am not expecting BTC to come back down into the $45,000 at this very point. That is not my expectation. My expectation is for the market to create a new low, lower than the previous low we see at this very area, and a possible downward movement to grab liquidity from this very area. So we have a spike from this very area. So this is a possible place where people or traders can actually place their stop losses for people that place a long position from this very area. So I'm looking for the market coming back down below this very level of support and then come back a little bit and grab liquidity from this very area of spike. Once I see that very movement come into the market, then this will be the end of this very entire move to the downside for me before the market will begin to move to the upside. This is what I am looking out for and paying attention to in the market right now. So what you need to do is for you to wait for the market to present to us that very nice opportunity for a long opportunity to the upside. So wait for the market to retrace into this very zone, and then from here, market is going to move to the upside. So expect this market to still come back down from where it is right now into this very area before the market is going to move to the upside for the next impulsive move. This is what you must have to pay attention to right now on BTC USDT 1-day chart. And on the ETH chart right here, see the market move from here after this little consolidation. So a little consolidation right at this very point, and then after the consolidation, we see the market move upward, okay, and with a significant high. Market drop back down significantly, and then the same fail swing that we see on Bitcoin chart at this very area appear on Ethereum chart at this very point. So a failed swing right at this very point, and this was also a very important resistance where the market crashed back down in the past, and the market is coming back down right now. I am not also expecting this market on ETH to come back down into the $2,000 level per Ethereum. It is possible, everything is possible in the market, but that is not my expectation. I'm not expecting that to happen. Okay, I am also very, very much bullish on ETH for the market to move to the upside. So what I am expecting right now is for a little drop to the downside, so a creation of a new low. So we see this spike earlier in the market, and the market move upward, market come back down, grab liquidity a little bit downward for the market to move upward and could not create a new high higher than the previous high at this very point, and the market is coming back to the downside. What I am expecting right now is a little move downward below this very level of support. Then from here, market should make this U-turn to the upside. And one important thing you need to pay attention to at this very critical level of support is this very area. This candle is a block, okay, that market have to obey for the next move to the upside. So from here, I am looking at the market to move upward. So the market coming back into this very area will be a game changer for the market to begin to move upward for the next move to the upside. So this is what I am expecting right now on ETH. This is very, very important. So pay attention to the market from here moving to the upside right now on ETH after this little move to the downside into this very area where the market moved from to the upside in the past on this very chart. So this is what I am paying attention to right now on ETH USDT. I am not expecting the market to come back into the $2,000 level as some person are talking about, and expecting for the pre-halving drop on ETH, and also on I am not expecting the market to come back into the 45k level. What I'm expecting is a little drop to the downside into this level of $60,000 and $57,000 for the next move to the upside. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now on the Bitcoin and ETH one-day chart. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Don't forget to check the channel for other crypto videos, educational content, other technical analysis. And if you've not registered on Binance, OKX, Bybit, and KuCoin, check the description of this video. You see a link. Register right now and claim all the bonuses by using my link down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.